Welcome to Hero Movement. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Octomoves Phoenix rope, which is this one. So after seeing my rope training tutorial a few weeks ago, the guys at Octomoves kindly sent me a rope to try out, and they've also offered you guys 10% off. If you go to octomoves.com and use the code HERO, you can get 10% off any of their ropes. I'm not making any money from that, it's not an affiliate scheme or anything like that, it's just a kind gesture from Octomoves to you guys. So yeah, feel free to go and take advantage of that. So I'm going to talk about the Phoenix rope and kind of compare it to my homemade version that I used in the tutorial. Any questions, comments, let me know down below. First impressions, the rope has a nice feel to it. It looks well made. The one thing that straight away I can tell compared to my homemade version is that the ends are sealed nicely. My version, which I've got here, started to fray straight away, and I've taped it up a few times, but it comes loose. But this one looks more sturdy and well built, the Phoenix. It's thinner than the rope that I made myself, and it's actually lighter. So this one comes in at, I think, 430 something grams, the Phoenix, whereas I reweighed my original rope and it was somewhere around 700 grams, so quite hefty. So although it's lighter, the Octomoves rope still feels heavy enough to have kind of a training effect. What I was actually finding with my original black rope was that it was so heavy that my shoulders were getting fatigued quite quickly. So it meant that my training sessions were short, and I think for learning a skill, you don't want to be necessarily pushing the body that hard and go into fatigue. Ideally you want to be staying fresh and keeping the body and the mind fresh to learn something and be able to kind of soak it up. So because this rope is thinner and it's lighter, I've been able to get more into a flow, and it just feels easier, but in a good way. There's less air resistance, and because the rope is thinner, the knots on the end are a lot easier to keep hold of. My original black one, they were really bulky. They did the job, they're okay, but this one does feel a lot more comfortable, a lot sleeker. So while I have been picking up the black rope now and again just to mess around with it, I do feel like this Octomoves rope is more suited for everyday use and for like learning skills, and then even for zone 2 style training with the rope. It means you can push your cardiovascular system a little bit more without your shoulders and your arms fatiguing first. The rope seems durable as well. I haven't had any fraying so far where it's been hitting the ground, and I've been using it for just under a week. So yeah, it's holding up well. Octomoves also provide a load of free training modules on their website, going from complete beginners up to more intermediate skills with the rope. So they're definitely worth checking out as well. So yeah, I've really enjoyed using it so far. I'm looking forward to using it more in the future. It's now a valuable part of my movement training toolkit. I use it a lot in my prep work before strength sessions as well, and before going out for a run, and I'll use it as like in a standalone session as well sometimes too. If you are interested in learning more about rope training and actually adding it to your practice, then I can only say good things about Octomoves and about my experience with them. So if you wanted to pick one up, you can use the link down below to get 10% off. There's also a link to my rope training tutorial and to Octomoves, to their online training modules too. Hope this was useful. Let me know if you got any questions in the comment section below. I'll be back next time with some more content focused around training. So yeah, feel free to subscribe if you want to get involved with that. Thanks for watching, stay safe, catch you soon.